Okay, so here's the second of the sets, both MPU and driver board here. So starting off with the MPU, we had a little bit of alkaline corrosion throughout the battery section, so had to pull both of the 4.7K resistors, and then also I believe those are 0.01 ohm, or .01 UF capacitors. Went ahead and pulled the, let's see, what is this? 7400. Sorry, I can't see. Went ahead and pulled the 7400, placed that into a socket after abating and conformal coating where the alkaline damage was. As always, pulled the game ROM sockets, replaced those with brand new, as well as the 6808? Yep. And then also replaced the crystal. Replaced all of the 0.156 headers here, and also the filter capacitor. Desoldered the 5101 and placed that into a socket so it's easy to put in NVRAM now. Added a coin cell holder, a blinking LED, and then also swapped out both male and female 40-pin interconnects, which are always a problem on these systems. We were having an issue with, I believe it was column 2 in the switch matrix, which wound up being the 7406 here. So we went ahead and pulled that and socketed it. Replaced all of the 0.156 headers, replaced the filter capacitor, and we had a few missing transistors. Both the transistor and then also the pre-driver on for this special solenoid were both bad. We had a little bit of hackery here underneath this transistor, which I went ahead and cleaned that up and tried to do as good of a job that I could with running those traces back that were, dismembered from the board. And then also, I believe this one was either missing or bad, but we had a total of 4 transistors here in the solenoid section. So I would definitely take a look at the pop bumpers and slingshots here, and then also, just make sure to ohm your coils whenever you go back through the game here. And then, like I said, with the switch matrix, we did have an issue with, I believe it was column 2 there on the board. So that pretty much sums everything up here on the board. Let me go ahead and get this thing powered up. And we don't have a battery, so we'll do a quick power cycle there. So last game to date in high score lamp matrix, and only coil that's on is the coin lockout. So we'll go through test. So first will be displays. And then second is sounds. And as you can see, all of those are working. And then into the lamps and solenoids here. My dog over here sniffing around. And coin lockout goes out and into the special solenoids. And those are also driven by switches here. That was the flipper relay triggering again once it cycles through all the solenoids there. But we'll go through the switches diagonally through the switch matrix, and last switch there was switch 46, but just showing that all of column 2 is now working correctly. If I can bend my fingers in the direction I need to. There we go. So all of column 2 is working again, and we'll go back through and just cycle through all the audits to a reset. There you are. So everything is 100% good to go on this board set here as well. So thank you so much.